So recently I picked up a book that has been lying on my shelf for very long. It's Atomic Habit by James Clear. And I know it's a go-to recommendation by a lot of people, but I could not read it then. But now that I have read it, I have realized कि how small habits can transform your entire life. एंड मेरे को ये रियलाइज हुआ कि इनमें से कई सारी चीजें मैं विदाउट नोइंग मैं इंस्टिंक्टिवली कर रहा था, जो कि मेरे लिए काफी ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रही. एंड फ्रॉम देयर ऑन आई वेंट इनटू अ रैबिट होल थिंकिंग कि ऐसी कौन कौन सी हैबिट्स है जिसने मेरे को हेल्प की है अपनी आईपी मैट जर्नी में एंड आईपी मैट क्रैक करने में. आई आस्क्ड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन माय बैच एंड इन माय जूनियर्स कि what all things they have done, and I reflected on my own journey. And today I'm bringing it to you in a powerful video as to 13 habits of an ideal IP MAT candidate. And मैं ये कोई random या बहुत ही general study tips नहीं होने वाले. These are the habits that separates people who want to get into an IIM and from the people who actually get into an IIM. And if you want to be a part of the later type of people, then stay tuned. You'll definitely find one or the other reason that could transform your entire IP MAT journey. Chalo, let's start the video. Hi everyone, my name is Rudraksh and I'm a first year MBA student at IIM Rohtak. And yeah, तुम लोग अभी मेरे को अचानक से सूट में इसलिए देख रहे हो because I'm recording it between my classes. So इस वीडियो की बात करें तो I have divided this video into 4 parts. I'll tell habits for each of these different parts. These parts are namely verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, habits that that can transfer your mock taking and mock scores, and the fourth, some bonus points that you cannot miss. Chalo, starting with the first one, verbal ability. The first habit of an ideal candidate is that he reads daily. And when I say reads daily, he does reading from either from editorials of good newspaper, The Hindu, Economic Times, Live Mint, all these newspaper, या फिर वो बहुत सारे different articles पढ़ता है, be it Aeon essays, Psyche essays. मैंने बहुत सारे reading material के नाम अपने previous videos में बता रखे हैं. So if a person who reads regularly, उसका verbal ability में बहुत chances होता है high score करने का. So an ideal candidate should and must definitely read daily. The second habit of an ideal IP MAT candidate is that he or she solves one reading comprehension every single day. अब वो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पास्ट ईयर पेपर से हो सकते हैं या कैट के पेपर से हो सकते हैं. कैट के ये अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि इतने सारे रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कहाँ से मिलेंगे, मैं तुम्हें 2-3 सोर्सेज के नाम बता दे रहा हूँ. You can go to bodhiprep.com, 2iim.com, after boards releases, or one reading comprehension daily, you can solve that. If you're serious about IP MAT 2026, then you already know that general school prep or some random batches won't make a cut. This exam requires a specific level of dedication, guidance, and personalized classes. That's exactly why PW has launched its IP MAT Kaksha 2026, a premium small size batch designed to give you a structured prep, personal guidance, and real results. In the IP MAT Kaksha 2026 batch, you will get 400 plus hours of live lectures with handwritten notes, 100 plus daily practice problems customized for your class level, 5,000 plus question bank, 50 full-length mocks, and 40 plus chapter-wise tests. Complete syllabus coverage for IP MAT Indore, Rohtak, and JIPMAT. 150 plus hours of best recorded lectures from IP MAT 2025, 4 hard copy study modules delivered to your doorsteps, and 24/7 doubt support, along with free access to IP MAT Crash Course 2026. And all of this is delivered by top-notch faculty like Juhi Narula ma'am, Vineet Ramesh sir, Gaurav Gupta sir, and Parth Goel sir. The complete program is priced at 24,999, and yes, it's also available in easy installments. If you want to split the payment, I have displayed all the installment options on the screen. And if you want it at an even discounted price, you can use the code IPMK5000. The link of the batch is given in the description, so go check it out. Third habit is that the person who learns those new vocabulary words integrate those words in his or her daily language, ताकि वो vocabulary की usage बढ़े. And I personally recommend कि हर संडे को जब तुम बैठो, जो भी एडिटोरियल, जो भी आर्टिकल तुमने पढ़ा, उसकी एक 100 वर्ड्स की समरी और आई वुड से 200 वर्ड्स की समरी लिखो, एंड ट्राई टू यूज ऑल द न्यू वर्ड्स दैट यू हैव लर्नड ड्यूरिंग द वीक. नाउ लेट्स गो टू क्वांट्स. The fourth habit that of an ideal IP MAT candidate for quants is that वो किसी एक मटेरियल को पकड़ के उसे बार बार सॉल्व करता है, ना कि वो 10 डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स के पीछे जाता है. You know, I like a quote by Bruce Lee says that, you know, Bruce Lee said that once, I don't fear a man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear a man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. And that is the entire, you know, habit. People jump on different coaching materials thinking कि उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है, but नहीं, कोई एक मटेरियल पकड़ो, उसे repeatedly solve करो, and that is a trait of an ideal IP MAT candidate. Fifth habit is that the ideal candidate maintains a proper formula book and updates it regularly with short tricks, with all the notes, conceptual classes, and you know, कोई random किसी और बच्चे के नोट्स को उठा के नहीं पढ़ता है, but maintains his or her own notes. And believe me, that is going to be extremely important when you're going to stand outside of your examination hall and you're just revising 50 pages. Sixth habit is that the person prioritizes conceptual clarity over shortcuts. कोई अगर कोचिंग या कोई YouTube वीडियो या कोई चैनल या फिर हमारे मेंटर्स अगर हमें शॉर्टकट सिखा रहे हैं, हम नहीं सीखेंगे. We'll focus on conceptual clarity more. We'll focus on strengthening our fundamental base more. Because once our fundamentals are clear, we can, you know, learn shortcuts, but it's not possible the other way around. Now talking about mocks, an ideal candidate would definitely follow a good mock analysis routine and divides it into 2:3 ratio. That is, for every 2 hours of mock, we'll analyze the mock for 3 hours, and that is the main crux of mock analysis. If you analyze your mock well, you're bound to score really good in it. The eighth habit of an ideal candidate is that he maintains an Excel tracker of all the scores. And सिर्फ वो scores का नहीं, individual mistakes क्या हुई, कौन से section में क्या गलती की, किस टाइप के questions में मेरी गलती हुई, proper एक tracker maintain करता है. And if you want to be that ideal candidate, make sure that you're following it. The ninth habit of an ideal IP MAT candidate is that कि उसकी खुद की एक mock strategy होती है. He experiments with a lot of strategy कि पहले से start करूँ, आखिरी से start करूँ, DI set पहले करूँ या आखिरी में करूँ. Make sure you devise your own personal strategy so that you know what works best for you before your actual D-Day. Now comes the bonus tips that you cannot miss. The 10th habit of an ideal IP MAT candidate is that he or she studies consistently every day. मैं नहीं बोला कि एक दिन में 15 घंटे पढ़ने हैं हर दिन आज से 1 साल तक. But even if on your bad days you're studying 1 or 2 hours, it's good, it matters. So make sure you study consistently. So 11th habit is that an ideal candidate also focuses more on accuracy than on speed. First he focuses how I can improve my accuracy, then focus more on speed. The 12th habit of an ideal IP MAT candidate is that he reflects on his weaknesses every week. What went right, what went wrong, does an entire SWOT analysis, and so that he knows what things I have to do to improve on and what things I should stop doing right now. And the 13th habit of an ideal IP MAT candidate is that he or she has subscribed to this channel. You know, I understand मैं काफी frequently video नहीं ला पाता हूँ, once or twice a month only. But an ideal IP MAT candidate knows that जो भी videos आ रही are very helpful. So make sure you subscribe to it. And that's it from my side. Have a very good day and see ya. लगे रहो पढ़ाई पे.